Hello YouTube. Josh Tech is back with another video, and today's video is about Windows 11 freezing or unresponsive or stacking or flickering while it starts, which is on the startup you may face freezing, flickering, or unresponsive issues. So if you are facing this problem, I have 5 solutions for today's video, and all the solutions also work for Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7 products. So stay tuned and use each of the solutions to solve your problem. So let's see solution number one. So solution number one will be disabling startup applications. So to disable startup applications, you can go here and click your Windows icon on any Windows operating system. Right click on the Windows icon here and open the task manager. So after the task manager opened here the task manager open for startup. So as you can see on the startup here, different applications are running on this computer. So all this startup may consume some memory or CPU usage, and that makes it slower. So if you are not using them when your computer opens, you can disable them. But disabling is not remove. It's not about removing. You can use them manually by opening the applications on their location. But when the computer starts up, it will disable. So it's not going to consume any memory locations or spaces on your computer while your computer starts. So for example, let's see here. I already disabled most of the applications on my computer, as you can see. So let me disable this application, which is hide me an application. So I have this application, so I select it and I can disable this application because I don't want this application to start up. As you can see, it's disabled. And if you have applications on your computer that you are not using while your computer starts up, you can disable it. And also this one also, I don't need it, so I can disable it back. And if you want to re-enable it or to start up when your computer starts, you can open the task manager and select this, and you can select enable. So by disabling some applications on the startup location, you are going to make your computer slower performance more improved. So disabling the startup application will be the one solution. The other solution is removing the apps that you are not using them no longer. So which is select here the search icon on your computer, select search, and on the search, which is you can type settings, type settings, and open apps. So the setting or is opened, and on the setting, search for apps. So here apps. So open apps, and here apps, and then go to apps and feature. So apps and feature, after you open the apps and feature, you are going to get different applications on your apps and feature. So you can disable the application that you are not using them no longer. So for example, let me check for app that I'm not using. For example, here Facebook, right click here, for example Facebook here, then I can select here the 3 dots, then uninstall. So this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Then select here uninstall, and it will remove the applications that you are not using or that does not have any purpose on your computer, and it will fix the unresponsive or freezing or slow starting of your computer. So remove all the applications that you don't want by doing frequently that I did on the application. And the third solution will be disk cleanup. So to clean up all those disks, you can select here search icon, then type disk cleanup, disk clean up. And as you can see here, disk cleanup is already here. So select disk cleanup, and the disk cleanup is opening. So after the disk cleanup option opened, then select, it's calculating the, which is temporary files, recycled data, or some fetch that cookies data that are no longer purpose for your computer will be scanned and will be appear on your computer. And as you can see, my computer is scanning. It may take some time, and here it provided me which is files that are temporary internet files, temporary files, recycled bins, thumbnails, and different unwanted files, which the total amount disk space is 693 megabytes are occupied by this unwanted or unnecessary files. So I'm going to remove them by clicking here OK. So are you sure you permanently delete all these files? Before that, don't forget to check all these boxes, then select delete files. So it will remove all these unnecessary files, and it makes, or it gives an energy to your computer to start up freely without being slow. And the other solution, and as you can see, it's processing. So let's see the other solutions. And then solution number 4 will be checking your power plan. So to check your power plan, then again select here the search icon and type, which is power cfg.cpl. Then type power cfg.cpl on your computer. Power cfg.cpl. So here power cfg.cpl comes on the screen. So I'm going to open power cfg.cpl, and in the power cfg.cpl, it will show you choose what the power button do. So select choose what the power button do, and make sure this box is unchecked. Turn on fast startup. It should not have to be checked. So if it is checked, then select this, change the settings that are currently unavailable, and if it is checked, then uncheck this box. It does not have any purpose. So save change. So as you can see, it is not checked. And if all the solutions are not working, then the final solution for this video is select the search, then go to setting, and after the setting opens on your computer, then you will go to the bottom section of your setting, which is, as you can see here, recovery. Select the recovery, and the recovery option will be opened, and on the recovery you find here reset this PC. Then select reset PC, and on the reset PC it will provide you two options: keep my file and remove everything. So you can keep your files and remove apps and some settings from your computer, but all the files will be there. So select keep my file, and it will start resetting your computer. So this is all about for today's video to help stopping the freezing or unresponsive or flickering issues on your computer. And if this video is helpful, give me thumb up and subscribe. ChargeTech, comment on the comment section. For today, ChargeTech out.